Hi, Malik the Magic Guy, expertvillage.com. Now we're going to do a trick so exciting it needs 2 decks of cards. Mr. Hand, pick the deck of cards that you want to use. Go ahead and pick it up. And shuffle it up. Okay. Wonderful. Now, we're going to trade decks, and I'm going to pick my favorite card out of my deck. I want you to pick your favorite card out of your deck. And when you pick it out, just take it out of the deck. Just like this. Good. Now put it on top of the deck and cut the cards just like this. Great. Now we'll trade decks again. And I want you to give your deck a cut. I'm going to do the same thing. Now go through and pull out your favorite card again. Pull out the one you selected, and I'm going to pull out the one I previously selected from your deck. Okay, now turn your card face up on the table, and the card I had was the same exact one, the Jack of Spades.